Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today's our topic is method overloading. What is method overloading? What is the definition of method overloading? Writing two or more methods in the same class in such a way that each method has same name but with different method signatures is called method overloading. Method signature represents the method name along with parameters. In method overloading, the compiler knows which method is called by the user based on the parameters we are passing. It is called method overloading. And coming to example for method overloading, creating a class test, and create a method void add and the parameters int a and int b. In coming to another method, say method overloading, here same methods and different parameters is called here void add method int a int b in previous parameters int a int b int c are here the parameters, and in this is in the form of only in class test. Creating more than one method, two or more methods in the same class in such a way that each method has same name but with different name signatures means parameters is called a method overloading. This example for and creating a main class overload demo. Public static void main string acts is the main method for the Java programming. Test T is an object creation equals to new test object dot method. What are the parameters you are giving in previous steps in the class test? We are giving the parameters. Here, in this example, we are giving sum is equals to a plus b. What we are giving a 10 and b 20. In the another method, we are giving sum of a plus b plus c, and here t dot add a 10 20 30. These are the 10 equals to a, 20 equals to b, 30 equal to c. These are the parameters of the method. Coming, it is called method overloading. Coming to method overriding, writing two or more methods in super and subclasses such that the methods have same name and same signatures is called method overriding. In previous we are saying what two or more methods in the same class in such a way that each method has same name but different method signature. But here same two or more methods in super and subclasses such that the methods have same name and same signature is called method overriding. In method overriding, Java compiler does not decide which method is called by the user. It has to wait till an object to subclass is created. After creating the object, JVM binds the method call to an appropriate method. It is called a method overloading. And coming to example, creating a class A, and creating a method void compute double D. It is a parameter. And coming to class B extends A, void compute double D is the same method in the same parameter in the previous method. System.out.println square root of method dot math dot square root of D. And creating a main method or class override demo. Public static void main string x, or you are giving creating an object, and previous example same to same. what we are creating a program in Java, and we can write like that in previous examples. It is called method overloading, and for the example for method overriding, method overloading and method overriding, these are the, and we are seeing what we are seeing next. It is difference between method overloading and method overriding. What is method overloading and what is method overriding? Firstly, you see method overloading. Writing two or more methods with the same name but with different signatures is called method overloading, and it is done in the same class. But method overriding, writing two or more methods with the same name and same signatures is called method overriding. It is done in the super and subclasses. And method overloading, JVM decides which methods is called depending on the differences in the method signatures. In method overriding, JVM decides which method is called depending on the class of object used to call the method. In method overloading, method return type can be same or different. In method overriding, method return types should also be same. Method overloading, it is done when the programmer wants to extend the already available feature. In method overriding, it is done when the programmer wants to provide different implementation for the same feature. It is called method overloading and method overriding. Method overriding, method overloading is code refinement, and method overriding is code replacement. It is the difference between the method overloading and method overriding. Thank you for watching this video.